this video, we're going to show you how to use table slicers to basically filter a chart based on a table. So here we have sales in 14 different countries during each quarter. So we'll make this a table and create a simple chart. So we'll do Control T. It's now a table, and we're going to create a slicer for the countries. Now you don't want to put the slicer within the rows of the table because then if you filter, you'll lose your slicer. I made that mistake the first time I cut a video here. Slicer have to be in the table. Insert, slicer, and it's going to be for country. Okay, so now I'm going to make this be up here a bit. And so we'll go, say, 4 columns. Okay, there we go. Make it a little taller. There we go. So now I'll create a chart based on the table. It's going to be a very busy chart. Insert. Okay, now let's put this out of the way. So when we filter the rows, we're not going to lose it. So now what we can do, so I could pick, let's say, United States, and that's all I'll see in the chart. And if I hold down the Control key, maybe Philippines there, Philippines, United States. So I can select any subset here. Let's say add China and Indonesia, the country with the most Boy Scouts, by the way. Okay, and that's how we can create a chart that basically we can filter with the slicers, which I think is really, really cool.
Okay, so thanks for watching, and there's a free course, a free 21-day course from Dr. Winston, and all of these videos are coming from one of 3 books. So first, this one, which you can see here at the top of the screen, Microsoft's book, which has 355 reviews, and then it's, let's see, 4.6 stars. It's coming from this book as well, his marketing analytics book, which is down here, and you can sort of see 4.5, or his newest book, his analytics stories book, which is here. And with that one, you can see it's 4 point something, or maybe even 5. I don't think it's 5. Yeah, 4.8. And so, yeah, anyways, in the description, there's a free 21-day course from Dr. Winston, or you can go to excelwithwayne.com/free, and it'll be there. But again, thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, just please let us know. Thanks.